Local news for Friday the 27th of October. Storytelling and bookshop love to pull the punters nationwide tomorrow on New Zealand Bookshop Day. Headley's Booksellers in Masterton is celebrating 110 years this year and will be celebrating with 11% off books. A once-only screening of the acclaimed film Seven Rivers Walking takes place at Masterton's Regent Theatre on Sunday. Grant Muir from Hinakura has developed, in conjunction with Victoria University and Callaghan Innovation, an award-winning in-stream water quality sensor called the River Watch that may well revolutionise the ability to cheaply and easily glean invaluable data to guide steps for improving our waterways. Infratel, the publicly listed infrastructure investor, has concluded its New Zealand bus negotiations with Auckland Transport, while negotiations in Wellington are ongoing, and still expects the business will shrink by a third. In May, New Zealand Bus lost most of its bus contract with the Greater Wellington Regional Council to Masterton-based Transit Group, which the council said could offer the service cheaper, reducing its share of services to 28% from 73%. And in sport, Max Spencer was last night named as the Wairarapa Secondary School's Sportsperson of the Year. Max also taking out Sportsman of the Year and Georgia Percy the Sportswoman Award. The Rathgill First 11 football team took out Sports Team of the Year.